Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
गार्बेज प्रत्येक घरान जाता. वी शुड नो हाउ टू सेग्रिगेट इन द हाउसेस. तुम्ही गार्बेज हिंगा तिंगा उडयताय. एटलीस्ट फ्रॉम दिस विलेज should come directly over here. As Naveli constituency in first facility maybe in Goa was started in Naveli. But Naveli we had only a digester. Thereafter Davorli brought a similar machine, but they brought it there and public opposed. I am Paulo Jampotta. This is a golden step. Within a month, I will have a similar plant, if not maybe a little lesser plant in Akembash Panchayat, where the building is ready. This is the first Panchayat in the state which is having 2-ton garbage digester.
घरा घरांपै 60 रुपया दिताले ते 100 रुपया जातले कारण आमकां लायटी बिल उदका बिल मेंटेनन्स सगळे आसतले आनी ते सपोज कोण कचरो दिना किंवा दिता जाल्यार सुद्दां तांकां कंपल्सरी 100 रुपया दिवपाक पडटले. मशिनरी हाडपाक आमकां 14 फायनान्सांतल्यान 1 करोड आशिल्लो आमचे कडेन. आमी ती शेड बांदली. आमची मशिनरी 70 लॅक्साची आसा आनी मशिनरी हाडटा आसतना आमकां हांगा रस्तो नाशिल्लो. सो आमी लुईजीन सराक सांगलें. मागीर तेंच्यांनी विथीन 6 days आमकां रोड करून दिलो.